AI will never replace software engineers. My name is Rami Pruitt. I've worked for companies like Google, Dell, Twitch, whatever, And today I'm talking to you about why AI will never replace software engineers. I know a lot of people feel like AI is they have all these different forums online talking about coding is going to be replaced any day now. Where I'm here to tell you that human beings will always be in the loop. No matter how powerful AI becomes, we're always going to need human beings to write software for other human beings. Excuse me, let me add an addendum. We're always going to need human beings to create products for other human beings. So here are my 5 reasons why you should feel safe being a software engineer. 1, AI is not creative. AI does not have the ability to come up with results. If you understand what's going on behind the scenes with these large language models, they're just memorizing possibilities, different scenarios, and combining them all together with the ability to search the internet. Models do not have the ability to think about problems that they don't have any data. They don't have the ability to understand problems and come up with innovative solutions if they don't have any data about that. If you're a human being and you love to draw and you love art and you're able to come up with innovative ways of solving problems, these are just as important as using the AI tools, because creativity, art, these are the things that have pushed humanity forward just as much as engineering itself. Number 2, AI does not understand empathy. Again, I will reference AI is just memorizing responses from its data. There are as many emotions in the world as there are stars in the sky. AI is not going to be able to understand those various different situations like a human can. If you understand what a product manager's job is, it's basically about going to customers, figuring out what is painful, as well as talking to stakeholders about how we can make money through those various different ideas and coming up with solutions. This is something that an AI will never be able to automate completely, because the only way that AI can understand information is through text. It does not have the ability to comprehend emotions. And just like I could speak to you and I could say something that I could speak sarcastically. I could say, yeah, I think that was a really nice basketball play. I don't know. I could say something like that and I really did not mean it. It's very hard for AI to understand that nuanced behavior at speed, extremely fast. Maybe we get there one day. Well, I'm sure the AI models will increase in intelligence over the next 10 years. However, there's some things that AI just will not be able to do at the same level as human beings. So if you're able to understand emotions from other people, that's a skill that's going to carry you in the future. Number 3, system design. As you know, I've talked about system design. Perhaps I'm linking the video right here in case you guys have not seen it. But system design is a skill that is going to be needed regardless of how powerful these AI tools are. System design is like going to Subway. You have all these different options, these different programming languages, these different clouds, There are many different ways to solve problems, and there are no perfect solutions. There are just choices and trade-offs. How do we optimize for said situations? If you study system design, it is something that will be a skill that you will use from your first day to your last day, all the way in your career as a software engineer. And AI will never be able to replace that. It may be able to make things software a lot faster, but it will not be doing any of that stuff for us. Number 4, business specialists. As these AI tools get a lot better, we're going to need human beings that understand the business behind some of these creations. I'll give you an example. Let's talk about security, right? As AI models are being used to hack and attack other systems, there will be AI models used to defend these systems from other engineers. So we're always going to need domain experts, people who understand how to use the models in order to help businesses. I'll give you another example. I am a content creator. I am talking to you through this video, and I am making a business called DonorSync for other content creators, right? Because I understand what other content creators go through on a day-to-day basis. This is as deep as empathy that you can get towards a human being and what they need and what they have. And a model is not going to be able to come up. If you say, model, give me a business idea for content creators, it's just going to look at its data and give you some suggestions, but it's not going to comprehend exactly the most painful parts of editing, of coming up with ideas. A human being like me is always going to be able, combined with the model, is going to be able to come up with better solutions, better ideas on where we should be moving in the future. And so I would say, number 5, AI is not a decision maker, right? We're always going to need somebody to make the decisions on moving forwards. As I have worked at Amazon, we have talked about a mid-level engineer is capable of solving ambiguous problems and coming up with solutions. And so AI can come up with options for us to move in the future, but it is not a decision maker. And so with these 5 reasons, these are 5 reasons why you should appreciate and be excited for the things that are coming in the future. Specifically, I was not talking about AGI. And I want to be a little bit empathetic and tell you, sometimes when I think about the possibility of AGI, I get afraid of the possibilities of things that are going to be taken from us. However, this is even more of a reason why we need to be living every day with an appreciation, because some things are not going to exist in the future, and other things, new opportunities are going to exist. We might be on Mars in the next 15 years, right? AGI is going to take things from us and it's going to add things for us. But as long as you are growing in these areas of creativity, of problem solving, of understanding business, being empathetic to human beings, you will always have a purpose in this world. And those are my reasons why you need AI will never replace software engineers. Let me know in the comments, am I lying or are you afraid of AGI? But other than that, peace.